Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB, and today I just want to show you how I create this smooth transition effect inside Adobe After Effects. Let's jump on it. So this is my footage clip, and yeah, this one I'm going to use. So now I'm going to find where this footage I can cut it. You know, is two different clips. Yeah, this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, so now move this blend here again, go here on effect, click here on split layer. Okay, you know this layer is over separated, so now I have two layers for two different clips. Okay, so now right click here on click new and then create this adjustment layer. Okay, this adjustment layer is gonna help me to add some effects for this transition effect. Okay, so let me click here and I have to jump 20 frames and then you have to cut this adjustment layer, and then let me back here on the center of those two clips and then jump 20 frames. You have to click shift on your keyboard and then you click here to jump 20 frames, and then you go here on effect and then click split layer. Okay, or you can use Ctrl Shift plus D to cut. Okay, so now click here on adjustment layer and let me search effect called the optical compensation. So now go here on effect settings, you have to click here on reverse lens and then increase the number of these field of view. You see how this image is going. Yes man, yeah, that's so pretty, man. Yeah, this is the first effects I'm going to use. Okay, so now you have to increase the big number for this field of view, and then when you click in fast, this is how it is. And then I'm going to add the keyframe for this field of view in the center of these two clips, and then come here on the beginning of this adjustment layer. Okay, yeah, this is the beginning of adjustment layer, and then you have to reset my field of view. You have to add 0. Okay, and then go here at the end of this adjustment layer and then you have to reset again. Okay, you add 0, just you can reset or you have to add 0. Okay, so when you try to play, you see how this effect is, man. This is so pretty good, guys. Okay, that is it. So now find the another effect called the chroma aberration, and then you have to add for this adjustment layer. This adjustment layer is for the effects only, guys. Okay, you see how this is like an RGB guy. Yeah, red, green and blue. So let me increase this aberration. You see how it is, so I can increase and this aberration for blue. Okay, and this is fall off distance. So guys, still I'm in the center of those two clips. You have to add the keyframe for this aberration for red, and then this aberration for blue, and this fall off distance, and then come here on the beginning of this adjustment layer and then you have to reset. Okay, to reset this layer. Okay, you have to add 0, or when I said reset, just you have to add the resetted number. Okay, which as a default, you know. Yeah, let me add 0 here at the end for this adjustment layer, and let me pray. Man, that's good, bro. Yeah, that's so pretty. You see, yeah, this transition is very good, guys. So open up this adjustment layer, guys. I just want to smooth this keyframe. You have to select and then right click here, keyframe assistant, then click easy, all F9 as a shortcut. Right click those keyframe, right click on it, keyframe assistant, and then easy, or you can use shortcut as F9. That's cool. Yeah, that's so pretty. You see how this it is going. Okay, so now let me find the third effect, which is called displacement map. For this displacement map, you have to put it here for adjustment layer, and then guys, I'm still between those two clips. Okay, you see how this effect is? It's like distraction, yes, distraction effect. You see how this clip is? So I'm increasing this max vertical displacement. Okay, and then let me add the keyframe for this horizontal and displacement map for, and then let me jump 10 frames. Okay, not the beginning of all these adjustment layers, so I jump 10 frames. Okay, so now you have to add 0 as a default. Okay, and then back here on other 10 frame for this adjustment layer, guys. Okay, and then you have to reset. Okay, right click, you can reset. Okay, right click here and then you reset. Yeah, this is as a default number, so when you play, yeah, you see how it is. Stuff, man, this is good. Yeah, that is it. And then let me find the other effect called the shake. Guys, shake. Yes, you have the main lot of this shake just is like to shake the camera. Okay, I'm still between for those two clips. Okay, between these two clips. Okay, so here you can add the shake sensitivity. Okay, depend how your clip is, guys. And then I have to add the keyframe. Okay, the keyframe is 100%, and then jump back forward 10 frame, and then you have to reset. Okay, and then you have to jump another 10 frame on front forward. You see, yes, 10 frame, and then you have to reset your keyframe. When you play, yeah, this is how the result is. So guys, maybe this is my last effect. Okay, this last effect called the glow. Then drag this glow and drop it here on this adjustment layer. You see this glow, yeah, it has more bright. You see I'm in between of my two clips, and then let me go here on glow effect settings. Okay, so here you can increase this glow threshold. Okay, you see how it's too more bright, man. So let me put it at 100. Okay, and then let me add the keyframe for these 10 frames, and then you have to reduce the small number here between for these two clips. Okay, and then let me jump like 10 frames again, and let me set here 102. Here let me set 0. Okay, yeah, this is good. So when I pray, this is how the glow is, man. This is good, bro. Yo, thank you guys for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. I just want to know what you think. See you next video. Peace.